Y'all go get ribs. Look at it, she know how to spin it too. Thank you. Look at that shine on the cornbread. Look, bone just comes right off.
And World Trade Center.
What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and I am about to go check out a restaurant called Taste of Heaven here in Brooklyn, man. Let's go check it out, man. It's supposed to be some good soul food, but we gonna see. Uh-oh, they had some trouble. There's some trouble right there. Let's go in here and see what's happening. Open, eat 24. Absolutely no pets allowed in here. Oh, wow. Oh, this the lady I seen online, man. She passed away. Wayne Owens. Oh, wow. Let's check it out, y'all. Check this out. About my sweets.
Potato salad.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Huh? That's barbecue? Y'all mind being on video? And who don't? She said, so she's a kinda. Maybe not. Mad respect though. Y'all who getting ribs? Are you getting the ribs? Mac, cheese, yams, jerk chicken. Y'all hear what they getting? They back there in the kitchen throwing down though. I like the little open window.
You gotta get back.
Nice. Yeah. You ready for me?
Yes.
Is the owner here? Oh. The owner's in the back. Can I get a soundbite from the owner? Can I? Okay. No, I got you. I'm gonna get the jerk chicken with the string beans. Macaroni and cheese. Give me a small. Yep. Give this. Yep. String beans, mac, and jerk chicken. Is that a good combo? Or should I trade the mac for something else? The mac is good? Okay, we're gonna get the mac and cheese, y'all. The jerk chicken. And we're going to get the string beans. Oh, yes. Let's go for the cornbread. I almost forgot cornbread, y'all. You guys have waters? I'll get a water. Yeah, my doctor told me to drink more water. So give me a soda. Now I'm just teasing. I'll take a water. $13 total, y'all. That's a good price. That's a real good price. That's that jerk chicken, y'all. String beans and mac and cheese in there. That look country for real. That's some Southern cooking. Look at it. She know how to spin it too. Thank you. Yeah, and we got a water, y'all. We're going to dig into this. You have packets of hot sauce?
Yes.
We're going to get some hot sauce in there. Go outside. We can eat it right outside, right?
We're coming.
Thank you very much. Yep.
You.
Yo, check it out. Check it out. Ooh, it feels nice and cool in here. There it is, y'all. We outside in this little eating area, man. We're all set. We're about to go into this, man. Y'all see it is all mashed in there, compressed. I got hot sauce, right? Let's check this out, man. Let me pull this top off here. Y'all, you know how you gotta do it. Gotta make sure. Oh, yeah. Let me stick that in. I got napkins and everything in there, y'all. Look at this, man. It's overflowing. That's $13, y'all. That macaroni and cheese. And I got those string beans. And I got that jerk chicken. Check it out. Let's go for it. The owner just came out, Tony. He said he's just too busy to do an interview right now, but mad respect. He gave me some information, told me where to go to get the history and so forth. Real nice people here, man. His family's inside working and serving the food, man. First, I'm going for the green beans. The green beans look really good, man. They look nice and tender. Oh, wow. The flavor in the green beans are awesome. They are very tender, man. I should have asked him what he cooked these with. I taste a hint of vinegar. I taste a nice, good hint to the second power of some spices, man. I mean, I'm talking about hot and spicy. There's some pepper. It's nice and peppery. Those are good green beans, y'all. Those are really, I'm going straight for the macaroni and cheese next. Y'all can't really see it, but it's got that cheesiness too. I was gonna mix it with the green beans, but I want to taste each one individually first. Look at that macaroni and cheese. Can you see that cheese? I'm a little shaking a little bit. Hold up, let's taste the macaroni and cheese. You know what? The owner just came out, right? And he was just sharing some stuff, man, of how people are coming, they want interviews now. And it's interesting, like some of these places when they first opened, like the news should have been here then. But you can tell the way he was talking that he knew the food was the truth. And I concur, the food is the truth. This macaroni and cheese is cheesy, it's buttery. I could taste the way it's put together, that I could taste that little eggy, the way eggs hold stuff together. I'm gonna mix it with the green beans now. Wow. I could just do the macaroni and cheese and the string beans. The flavor with those two together is brilliant, man. I want that juice that I dropped out. I know there's some more juice in there, but that juice that just fell on the table looks so juicy. That food looks good, right? I know you're gonna be like, that food looks so good. Look at it, man. Ooh, I'm dripping juice. I am going for the jerk chicken now, y'all. It is not hard to pull this off the bone. Look at that, coming right off the bone, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's show you right there. That's that jerk chicken. It's official, y'all. This place is friggin' official. Wow. Wow, it's been busy, customers coming in and out. I've seen a cultural mix of customers coming in and out. I'm about to mix it all up, y'all. Hold on, let me hold it up there a little bit longer. You see the deliciousness there? I just ate that little piece of chicken gristle from the chicken leg. So tender. I'm starting to feel more spices in my mouth from that jerk chicken. I got water too, y'all. It's almost time for water. But that jerk chicken ain't no joke. My mouth is getting nice and spicy right now. I want to mix the jerk chicken. I want to kind of like get it all up, right? I want to get the macaroni and cheese. I want to get the string beans, the jerk chicken, the macaroni and cheese all on one scoop of my fork. See that right there? Can y'all see that right there? Still dripping. I don't need no salt. I don't need no hot sauce. You really don't. I can definitely take this home and have seconds. I don't feel like taking it home. I want to eat it now. It's so easy to eat. You know? I'm not sitting here like chewing on a bunch of hard meat or hard string bean. I know some people would be like, well, the string beans tender, they're overcooked. These string beans are perfect for me. My grandmother ain't never half cooked no string beans. Talking about nutrients. I'm gonna mix it up again. Y'all know what I forgot? Let's slide this stuff back. I forgot. Only thing I haven't eaten so far is the cornbread. They got the cornbread in these little aluminum foil thingies right here. Let's check it out, man. Oh, wow. The cornbread, it looked like they brushed it with something like sweet or buttery. See that shine on it? Look at that shine on the cornbread. It looked like they used a brush when it was cooking or right when they brought it out the oven. They brushed it with something, man. This cornbread's gonna be sweet, I can tell. Let's see. It's not Jif. What they call it? Jiffy cornbread? It's not that, I can tell. This cornbread don't taste like cake. It tastes like cornbread. Look at this, man. Can y'all see that? Word is born. This is so good. The sun is starting to come out. It's cloudy today. 60% chance of rain. I'm out here in Brooklyn, y'all. Off of Kingsland Avenue in Jackson. I got my water. You know how I can rate food? If it tastes like the food I had in Welcome Baptist Church on 12th Avenue coming up as a child in Newark, New Jersey. I don't know when they started cooking the food, but we used to go down after service, and that food was so good. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you that they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for staying tuned with us in the channel. Food, adventure, and travel, baby, all day long. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. that's it, y'all. Just got off the train and headed back to Jersey, man. It's been one adventurous day. Now we go down here, catch the PATH train, head on out. After I ate that food, I walked like 1.5 miles to get to the river. And then I walked like another 1/2 mile to get to the train over by in Williamsburg. And then I was over on Broadway in Williamsburg. And now I'm back downtown in Manhattan, about to go here and get the PATH train to Newark, New Jersey. Here we go, here we go.